Hello my loves, today I'm going to show you guys an effective home remedy which will remove your tan and also work on your blemishes and dark spots, and it's very easy to make. Everything is available in your kitchen. You'll be requiring a potato, a medium sized or a small one. Wash it, don't peel it, grate it and squeeze out the juice. You can even cut down the potato and grind it in your grinder and just squeeze out the juice using a muslin cloth or a strainer, and don't add any water to the juice. Try making it fresh. And you'll be requiring oats powder, wheat flour, kasturi turmeric or wild turmeric, and this is honey. So we're gonna start with wheat flour. We'll be taking 1 teaspoon of wheat flour, and in it I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of oats powder. Remember, the oats powder should be more and wheat flour should be less, or else it will just stick to your facial hairs. And in it I'll be adding wild turmeric or kasturi haldi, just a pinch of it. And if you don't have that, you can use your kitchen turmeric as well, but very little. And here I'm adding our potato juice, and in it I'll be adding the last thing, which is honey. If you have oily skin, you can also use honey, no problem in it. It'll hydrate your skin. Now give it a good mix and your face pack is ready to use. Applying the face pack on your clean face, and apply in a circular motion that will exfoliate your skin as well. And don't apply it around your eyes and your lips, and try applying a thick layer, and don't forget your neck too, because that's very important. And apply a thick layer guys, so that it gives you a very good result. And don't let the pack completely dry. It should be semi-dried when you're washing it off. That's why here I'm applying a thick layer. Now I'm taking a little bit of honey on my ring finger, and I'll be applying it around my eyes so that it can work on my dark circles while the face pack is drying. And I'll apply that little bit of honey also on my lips. So this is how I look after the application, and I'll keep it for 20 minutes. And you guys can see after 20 minutes my skin looks something like this, and it is semi-dried, not completely dried, like 80% it has dried, and it's time to wash off. And here is the result guys. As you guys can see, I don't have much to say.
You guys just saw the result. My skin feels so soft to touch. You know, I have oily combination to oily skin, as I've already said you guys. So but my face doesn't feel oily at all, neither it feels dry. So it goes with all skin types. You know, you should go and use it for three times a week at least. And if you like 3 times a week, if you go on using it, like within a week only you will be able to see the result. If you have like dark, you guys can see the darkness around my mouth, the pigmentation which I have around my mouth. The first use only it is looking so reduced, and you guys can see my face is glowing so much. I haven't even applied a toner nor a moisturizer, nothing. It is my absolute bare face, and I'm not at all feeling dry, neither I'm feeling oily. So it is, you know, the best to go for. It will just take away your tan, and guys keep it for 20 minutes at least to see the best results. And the wheat flour should be little, like if you're using 1 teaspoon of wheat flour, there should be 2 teaspoons of oats powder. In our hero ingredient is the potato juice, which is like amazing for the skin. It reduces your scars, your blemishes, your dark circles, your pigmentation, your suntan and what not. What kya nahi kar sakta apna aloo. Guys, it will again exfoliate the areas where you have blackheads and whiteheads. Now, especially while you're washing it off, if you have blackheads around this area, just do a gentle massage like this in circular motion. Your dark heads and blackheads will also keep going. So guys, and don't forget to moisturize and put a toner after that. I haven't, because I just wanted to show you guys the real raw result after the application. So guys, that's all for today's video. So go ahead, if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and there's a bell button right next to the subscribe button. Go and hit that too, because whenever I post a new video you get notified. So that's all for today's video. Until next time, I love you.